In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request an Uber ride on your iPhone. First, open the Uber app. If you're signed in and location services are on, the home screen will load with a map and a prominent search bar that says where to. Tap that search bar. Start with your pickup location. If you're standing where you want to be collected, Uber usually fills in current location automatically. If not, type the address, a landmark, or the place name, and then glance at the map to make sure the pin sits exactly where you want the driver to stop. Small adjustments save time. Choose an easy curb or a well-marked entrance. Next, enter your destination in the field that appears. As soon as you add it, the app will preview the route and show estimated arrival times and price ranges. They're based on live traffic and local ride types, so you get a realistic sense of timing and cost before you request. Now swipe through the ride options. You might see choices like UberX, UberGo, or other local options. Each one balances price, comfort, and capacity a little differently. Take a moment to compare the ETA and fare estimate for each. Pick what fits your needs today, whether that's the most affordable ride or the quickest pickup. When you've decided, tap the Choose button at the bottom of the screen. This confirms your selection and brings you back to the trip preview. Before you continue, make sure your pickup location is still correct. Double-check the street side and pin placement, especially if the map recenters. If you're inside a large venue, consider sliding the pin closer to the entrance you'll use so your driver can find you promptly. When everything looks right, tap Request Ride. The app will start looking for a nearby driver and display the estimated pickup time. Keep your phone nearby for updates and be ready to head to the pickup point as the driver approaches. Once a driver is matched, you'll see vehicle details on the screen. Verify them before you get in and you're all set to go. That's the entire process from opening the app to requesting your ride.